Welcome back everyone. So today we have a drone for unboxing, and this is the Explorer's Drone Sky, the LH-X25S model. So let's just roll on our new intro and we can get started. So let's look at the box. On the front you can see there are the key features mentioned: the headless mode, the auto return, and the gigahertz, the photo function, and the Wi-Fi connectivity. So apart from that, on the bottom you have some caution and all that stuff, made in China. So basically I bought this from China on a local street market, so I got it for a good discounted price. I think you can get it on Gearbest or any other sites, and at the back there's some other features mentioned, and this is regarding the camera, the remote control, and all stuff. So the packaging is really neat and good, and it's compact. They've packed it very well. So let's just quickly open it and see what we get inside. So these are guards for the propellers. These are basically to protect the propellers on crashes. So if you go and hit into something, your propellers stay safe. And these are for the landing. You can just put it down so that your camera and all is safe and it lands on it. And you get also the screws and all that are required to fix it. This is the camera module that you can fix it below. We'll talk about that later. So this is the remote control module that will help you control the drone. So you have the power on and power off button here, and it works on 4 AA size batteries. So 4 of them are needed. And then you have the slot here which helps you attach different accessories. Basically one that we get with this is this one, which helps you stick your mobile phone to it. Basically you can connect your mobile's Wi-Fi to the drone's camera, which will help you see the visual of that part. And there are other controls also in the app which I'll be showing you later. So let's put this aside and look into the main thing, that is the drone itself. So my first impressions on the drone is really good. The build quality is solid and the finishing is smooth. The propellers look strong. So at the back you can see this is the slot where the battery sits in. And you also have the place for the camera, which is right at the bottom in the center. And then we have lighting on all the 4 sides. So you can see this is where the camera fits in. Let me just fix it and show it to you. So you just have to put in, twist and lock it. So that is how you do it. But before that you have to connect the wiring. So the camera has a single axis motor control, which can be controlled on the remote or the mobile. So you can just control the angle in one direction. So that's the end of the unboxing and the quick review. So in further part of the video we'll be seeing how to fix the guards and the landing gear and all stuff. So in the next coming video I'll be showing you the video sample shots taken from the drone's camera. And yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.